Hey everyone, thank you for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. If you are new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's content. As always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Today, I want to waste no more time and get right into this project. And this project I'm a huge fan of, and I do believe that this project is going to make massive strides in the blockchain space in the next years to come. And this project is none other than Cardano. All right, my Cardano family, if we are looking at the price of Cardano right now, it is currently trading at 31.3 cents. It is down 0.3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down 0.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're looking at the overall crypto market cap for Cardano, it is currently trading at $11 billion market valuation. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 176.5 million. Looking at the overall rank, you guys can see we are currently ranked at the top 9 spot, so that's definitely something to note. We are seeing a little bit of a retracement within the price at 0.3% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we have some massive news, and there are some critical price levels that we should be looking at. But let's start off with some positive news and why I continue to be more bullish on Cardano and how I believe this project is close to Ethereum, more than ever. And not only that, we will also be discussing some price levels we should be looking at in the immediate short term as we go into December of this year and close out the year of 2022. So let's jump right into the news and see what we're talking about. All right, so the Cardano blockchain has reached a new milestone as it now has 7 million native tokens. Guys, 7 million native tokens, that's massive. According to pool.pm data, the number of native assets minted on the Cardano blockchain is now 7,055,456 across 65,652 distinct minting policies. Massive news. In September, Today reported when the Cardano blockchain hit milestone of 6 million native tokens, which is just a few months ago. Cardano native assets and NFT bear similarities, technologically speaking, and they are both native assets and can be created using the Cardano node CLI. Narrowing to specific detail in contrast to fungible native tokens, which could consist of millions of interchangeable tokens, and NFT is a single native token that is immutable and exists on the blockchain forever. To be considered an NFT, a native token must fulfill additional standards. Massive growth within the Cardano blockchain, and this is what I've been mentioning for quite some time. There's a lot of developers, switching from Ethereum and going into Cardano. And I've always mentioned, I've not been shy to say that, Cardano is the most closest to Ethereum we have ever seen. And the numbers and the stats speak for themselves with a market valuation, even after a bear market, massive bear market, still currently sitting at $11 billion. Massive, growth over the past few years. But now let's look at the price. Is the price really correlating with this overall growth? And what are some next price targets that you should be keeping an eye out on? We will discuss that. Excuse me on that. Kind of still under the weather, as you guys may already know. So please excuse me if I do cough in between the video. So as you guys can see, the price is currently trading at 31.25 cents. Once again, below this level of resistance. And not only are we below this level of resistance, we're retesting, some price ranges, some level of support that dates back to earlier last year. So you guys really need to understand why this level is very important. As mentioned in my previous video, if we lose this level of support at basically the 26.27 cents mark, we could be in for more downwards momentum, especially around this wick at that 23.17 cents. If we lose that, then we could be in for prices that are lower, which we have not seen for quite some time. But if you're in it for the long haul, that is another great opportunity for the viewers, for the Cardano investors to be really dollar cost averaging in for the long haul. No one really believed, I say this with confidence. No one believed when Cardano was at 2 cents. I've been knowing about Cardano when it was around those prices. I've known when this token launched back in 2017 during almost the peak of the bull run of that 2017 cycle. But no one really believes that this project was going to see such a massive spike, massive growth within the ecosystem, and how it could potentially really be a massive Ethereum competitor. A lot of people treat it as, another Ethereum competitor that's coming into the markets. We've heard this before. No one's really going to take over Ethereum. But 7 million native tokens, guys, have been launched on Cardano, and this gets me extremely bullish, and this gets to me to the main point. The ecosystem is hitting an all-time high. The development is going absolutely crazy, and you guys can see, despite that the price is in a bear market, remember the price of Bitcoin, this right here, this guy Bitcoin is the king of the markets. If Bitcoin enters the bear market, we're going to see every single coin do that as well. And obviously Cardano right now is seeing that happen. And right now I still do believe the capitulation for the price of Bitcoin has not happened. I think that's going to be around 11K, and we could possibly hit that in Q1 of next year. But there's a lot of factors that we need to keep in mind. Maybe Elon Musk can come and start pumping up the markets. We already know how much of a figure he is when it comes to the finance world, and he just holds too much power, and we could see that happening. A lot of speculation going on that, and that a lot of people on the inside are saying that he is behind something and putting Dogecoin as the payment method on Twitter. Then that's going to be bigger than a lot of people do think. And so a lot of factors go into mind, but we need to keep the price of Bitcoin on our mind on a daily basis. Obviously, we need to be in the 78.6 to say the least, but most importantly, above 22K mark. That's where I turn bullish. But as far as Cardano is concerned right now, we do need to keep in mind that we could see our turnaround towards the downside unless we do go above this level of resistance. This level of resistance is very important at the 40.67 cents mark. We need to have our eyes on that. If not, we could be in for more downward trend, as mentioned, looking at these 2021 prices. And if we lose this level of support at this 23.17 cents mark, we could be in for lower price levels. And obviously no one wants to hear that happen, but that is definitely something that could be in the play. But if you're in it for the long haul, you want to be scooping up around those prices rather than seeing Cardano hit $3.09. It's better to be picking up around 15 cents, which could be a possibility right now, rather than picking it up at all-time highs. And a lot of people think Cardano is dead, XYZ. We're going to hear, whenever we're in a bear market, guys, the FUD is at the highest. FUD is absolutely through the roof. Everyone is talking about cryptocurrencies are dead, this and that, XYZ. People that are accumulating good projects then are the ones that succeed in the long haul. So you guys know basically what I'm trying to get at. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. And like I said, I do believe that the overall future for Cardano is very bright, and it is going to hit an all-time high next bull cycle, way above the one which we have hit. And if you guys want me to, cover how and where I could see the price of Cardano go in the next cycle, and if 10,000 ADA is enough tokens to have, let me know in the comment section below, and we will make that interesting educational video for you guys. But do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But as always, we need to keep an eye out at these levels right now. We need the price to hold around here, and most importantly, try to get above this level of resistance at that 40 cents mark. But I will keep you guys covered if anything urgent were to happen. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Come join the Crypto ZX army and let me know your thoughts down below. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.